Good morning, dear students. I am Shalini. I am your EVS teacher and I will take class 5 today. Our chapter for today is chapter number 5, Importance of Plants and Animals. Do you know what are plants and animals? Yes, you all very well know. In the previous class, you have studied about the importance of plants and animals, and this is the advanced stage of that. Okay. Can you imagine scientists have discovered 3,80,000 types of plants yet? अभी तक इतने सारे plants scientists have discovered. The plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight and water from the soil, and that process is known as photosynthesis. In the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what? Chlorophyll is the green pigment of the plant. Okay? Now, our main topic is what is the importance of plants? First one is oxygen. We want oxygen to live. We need oxygen to live. अगर ऑक्सीजन नहीं होगी तो जिंदा कैसे रहेंगे? Okay. So plants give us oxygen while the process of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis occurs in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Okay. And plant intakes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen for us, which is very much needed or good for our health of breathing. We need fresh air to live healthy. The second main thing we get from plants is food. Now, in the food we get cereals, vegetables, fruits, pulses, condiments, sugar and jelly, beverages, oil, wood, medicines, fibers, rubber and gum. These all are the products of plant, and it is the main, or you can say main source of food for us. है ना? Plant is the main source of food for us. We get cereals. What are cereals? Cereals include pulses, rye, wheat, the food grains. All that we take in as a food after cooking. दाल चावल खाते हो सब लोग? That is cereal. Okay. Vegetables, you all know very well. Their vegetables are very healthy for us. They keep us strong and helps our body to repair the damaged tissues. Fruits. Now, can you name some of the vegetables? There are many vegetables available in the market or in your kitchen garden. You can grow many vegetables. Radish, carrot, ginger, onion and potato, tomato, spinach, cauliflower, cabbage. There are lots of vegetables available in the market, and mama cooks it for you in a very healthy way to make it relishable. Okay. Now what are fruits? Fruits give us energy to work, and they also help in the repairing of our damaged muscles. Which is the king of the fruit? Mango. Yes. Now the summer season has arrived. Mango is available in the market, isn't it? Pulses, dane, moong, urad, arhar, chana. All these pulses are pulses we get from are obtained from the plants, है ना. प्लांट्स नहीं होते तो पल्सेस नहीं मिलती हैं. कॉन्डिमेंट्स, द अदर नेम फॉर कॉन्डिमेंट्स इज स्पाइसेस. Condiments add flavor and taste to our food. We use pepper, cloves, cardamom, ginger, है ना. All these are condiments that add flavor to our food. Sugar and jaggery. Can you drink milk without sugar? Some of you can, but sugar increases the taste of the milk. We also get it from the plants. So, which plant gives us sugar and jaggery? What is jaggery? Jaggery is gur, है ना. Sugar and jaggery. Sugar and jaggery we get from, it is obtained from the plant sugarcane. Sugarcane नाम के प्लांट से हमें चीनी और गुड़ मिलते हैं. Beverages. Beverages like tea, coffee and cocoa. These are also obtained from plants. Have you ever seen tea plants? No. It is grown, the beverages are grown on the hilly areas. टेरेस फार्मिंग होती है, उससे हमको टी, कॉफ़ी एंड कोकोआ मिलता है. वी ऐड चॉकलेट टू आवर मिल्क टू मेक इट मोर relishable. We relish chocolate milk, na? Yes. Next one is oil. How do we get oil from? We get oil from food. Plants. Plants gives us seeds like sunflower seeds, mustard seeds, soyabean, and oil is obtained from all these seeds. Okay, we use mustard oil, soyabean oil and refined oil, sunflower oil in our home for making of food, cooking of food. Wood is also used as a fuel, is being used as a fuel since the Vedic age. लकड़ी जला के, चूल्हा जला के दादी लोग खाना बनाती थी गांव में ना. खैर अब वहाँ पे भी गैस वगैरह आ गई है. ओके. Now wood is also used to make windows and doors of our house. Isn't it? Bamboo and can is a type of wood that we make baskets and doors from that. Medicines. We also get medicines from the plants. The plants which gives us medicines are called medicinal plants, and some of the medicinal plants are tulsi, neem and mint. Yes, that is good for health. हमें सर्दी जुकाम होता है, मम्मी बोलती है ना तुलसी वाली चाय पी लो. That is what we get from plants. Fibers like cotton. I am wearing a cotton suit. It is obtained from the plant and it is made into yarn to make a cotton cloth. We also get rubber and gum from plants. What is rubber? We use it as an eraser. We use it for erasing something, no? And gum. We use gum for pasting of papers or something else. Okay. All these things, these are the important things we get from plants in our daily life. We cannot live without plants. Okay. Because plants provide us oxygen and food, which is very essential for our growth and repairing of dead muscles or damaged muscles of the body. Okay. Now you all got what I taught you? Any queries? Okay. We will take importance of animals in the next class. Thank you, students.